Yeah, good day to you. Actually, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and to my page. I want to teach you today. We used to have a problem with our keys. When our keys, they used to dip their fingers here. So, and if they dip their fingers here, and this place is not key, it will surely affect the door of your vehicle. It will not lock. You can see. So in this situation, what you just need to do, because you might be confused, what you need to do next is just you come into your car and you hold this up. Once you hold this up, this it has correct it. You see, it has opened. Can you see? It has opened. So now let me close it to confirm. You see, it is not a magic. It is just simple. So thank you very much, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.